Hello folks, I'm just outside the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas and I'm just going to be walking to the inside. I've seen one video of it inside and I believe it was beautiful. So it's been a while since I've seen the video, but let's go see what it's like. Follow me. I think this is quite a popular hotel, but we'll see. I know it's got a gondola ride, a wee canal, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. Just looking. I've got a feeling this is going to be as nice as the Paris hotel, I think. You've got to love the detail in these hotels. I just tried Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips there, and it's just along through here. That was really nice. I'll post a video for it and you can have a wee look to see. It's well worth trying. The fishing was just amazing, really, really good. Oh, it's like mock up the Rialto Bridge. I think you can walk over that. I couldn't go along the Rialto Bridge when I was in Venice, but here's my chance to do a mock-up of it. So, I don't know if you can see over that wee bridge, there's somebody in a gondola. I thought about doing a gondola ride, but I've already done it, and it was a real thing. So I don't think there's much point in doing it. I wonder how much the gondola rides are actually. Might be worth looking to see. As you can see, there's a couple of tourists going under. It's a nice day for it. Oh. And I'll just go along here. I believe this is just the shopping kind of area, but we'll see. I think the canal you see outside, I think it actually goes inside the Venetian Hotel. I'm sure it does. It's full of gift shops. I'll just do a video at the top floor, and then I think I'll do a bottom one. There's a baseball shop. I used to love baseball as a kid. I was in the school baseball team. Wasn't the greatest player, but when I hit the ball I could do it. Really good. I see, this is beautiful. I see, I said I'll maybe do 2 videos, but I'd like to do it as just one big video if I could. just a lovely place. And I love Venice, it's one of my favourite places I've ever visited. Really stunning kind of place. You can see the canal and the gondolas. It's a really cool thing, isn't it? A wee tip. If you're ever in Venice and you're going to go on a gondola ride, ask them to sing for you. They don't automatically do it. What's my t-shirt shop? The gondola we went on, the guy was great. The fact it was amazing. Just kind of sung his heart out. And I was well impressed. Didn't ask him to do it, it just gave us like a 30-minute show. It was amazing. And then we were talking to the other people on the excursion, and their ones never sung to them. Somebody says, no, you've got to ask for them to do it, you've got to pay for it. So that's a bit of shame. Now, see, when I was in Venice, I couldn't really, I went over a couple of bridges, not much. It's not a very disabled friendly place. I thought Vegas wouldn't be very disabled friendly, but for the most part it is. I don't know how restrictive Venetian is for wheelchair users, but there is a lift, I think, there. No, I don't think it's a lift. There is bridges, but there must be ways around it, so maybe make it a wee bit more awkward. I'm not sure.
I thought she was just eating like a girl, like only eating like half the meal. She's like, oh, I don't.
Oh wow. Mock up at St Mark's Square, I think it's meant to be. Or something. It's like a small mini St Mark's Square.
What?
Aye. That's I can't get it on my camera. I can't figure that one out. Aye, it's meant to be like St Mark's Square. I thought that second I saw it.
Yeah, it's going to be that way.
It's amazing. This outdoes Paris, I think. I think downstairs is just a casino, so I'm just going to do a wee bit more around here. Show you a wee bit, and then I'm going to go and buy a hat, and then I'm going to go to the casino and have a wee quick shop. Well, the queue's not too bad. The queues in Venice are quite bad, but we were lucky. We had the excursion, so it was very easy for us to go and get on. We weren't waiting, we were straight on it. So if you ever go on an excursion to Venice, do the gondola ride, and you probably won't be waiting all that long. Okay. It seems to just go on and on and on. What's downstairs? There's more shopping, more shops. I'm going to go downstairs. I think that's just a food court over there. The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. Don't know if you've seen that too good. I think Jacqueline would love this as well. This is just a kind of restaurant area, I think. Restaurant row. Italian restaurant. Millis, I'm not sure. I'm guessing Greek or something. No. Aye, it's Greek. Well, look at that. It looks a lovely restaurant. Can I show them? I'm just going to head to the casino, have a wee shop, then I'm going to go up to that hat shop and buy a hat. I see, I can see a casino there. There's a sushi, sake, speakeasy. I really like sushi. It's not often I get it though. Jacqueline doesn't like fish, oh no, she'll eat fish, but raw fish she just turns her nose up at. So I'll just show you quickly. There's a casino. And somewhere there's a machine calling me, so I'm going to go. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks, bye bye.